Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I almost start with today's morning show. Man, this is mind-blowing. So reports when they reached me this morning in the last 1 hour. When I shoot this video, this is about 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. That's when I was shooting this video. So I got this news when I was doing research around that kind 10 o'clock after 10. So in the last 1 hour per se. So what did I say? Eboue Gaspa will be Arsenal director of football. They set to leave Arsenal after the loss where we collect for Newcastle. So the likes of Sky Sports, the likes of Fabrizio Romano, the likes of Sports Bible, all these people now they put out this story that Arsenal's director of football they set to leave as it be now. Now, question people go out to say, what's happen? As you see him, that's what myself I see him. I don't really know what's happen. I can't come and tell you say, okay, see what's up, see what's no up. And in fact, before we go for that, it will make sense we even take Sky Sports report because Sky Sports now first break the news when I see him. Before I can say, Jesus Christ, it shocked me before I can see him on Sky Sports website. So just take a listen.
Well, welcome back to Good Morning Sports fans. Now we have some quite significant breaking news actually, because the sporting director at Arsenal, Eboue, has taken the decision to leave the club. Eboue has been away in Brazil on personal matters and he arrived back late last week. Sources have told Sky Sports News that the Brazilian has been under consideration for a role with Evangelos Marinakis' group of clubs.
Yes, which currently include Nottingham Forest, Olympiacos and Rio Ave, and in the future potentially a fourth club they're looking to buy in Europe.
That's true.
It's unclear yet whether that is a reason why Eboue has made this decision. We understand that the decision has taken Arsenal by surprise, but that Eboue will be leaving Arsenal as their sporting director. We'll bring you any updates on that during the day here on Sky Sports News.
All right, so what we will do now is I can just complete the report. After completing it, then I say what I want to say on this matter because this is a big blow, especially to Mikel. So Sky Sports website, Eboue Gaspa, sporting director, to leave club with Ghana, surprised by decision. Now Sky Sports talk everything and talk. So when you can check how many players Eboue Gaspa don't bring since when come after, like those will be saying facilitates their transfer. Declan Rice at the top, Nicolas Pepe, Kai Havertz, Ben White, Mospatic, Beresus, Ricardo Calafiori, Julian Timber, Odegaard, Fabio Vieira. So he was responsible, like partly responsible with the coach, everybody, the liars bring all these players. At the end of the day, waiting can make it to Gaspa say, okay, I not do again. Because this is when they talk, say, okay, Georgis Marianakis, one man can become a sporting director to help and manage about 4 clubs. So the guy 9 gets Nottingham Forest, Rio Ave, one other Olympiacos, and they won't buy one other club. Nobody today don't hear that story. So they don't poach Eboue Gaspa, but what they can say now, like I say in short, I throw in the thought because then when the story came out, he said it was going nowhere. Say one still remain for Arsenal. I know say this guy with Arteta don't they get a very good working relationship. When you watch the Arsenal On or Nothing documentary, you go understand the relationship with Eboue Gaspa, Arteta, Vinay Van Kasham, Richard Garlick, and Kroenkes. The relationship with them get very, very good one. Now, in fact, what they say in the next 24 hours, we expect Arsenal to put out a press release. Say, okay, our sporting director is no longer here. Now, what thing I want to remind you now, do you remember some days back when I tell on talk say, he get as things go bad, Arteta go resign by himself. No be sack, they go sack him. Eboue Gaspa don't prove my point. You see, say, if nobody know, all of us they speculate now, nobody really know what happened because he never they sat in quarantine saying Marinakis won't go meet. What you will know be say, he just wake up this morning say, he short, he no do again. Shane na the backlash from the Newcastle game, now they affect them. Maybe people talk some kind of thing, say, you where you did there since you don't feel bring money to buy striker, you just did there since they do nonsense. No, all those kind of things. You don't know that this loss and the backlash be the thing will just break the camel's back. We don't really know. You get, so we are all speculating now. Why did this happen? That's why I told you then, say, you get how these things go be. Fans go turn on Arteta. No be Kroenkes go sack him. Arteta by himself go say, in fact, they find me for Barcelona, they find me for Manchester, they find me for this place. Don't tell me all this one. I'm not doing it. So I see that kind of thing playing out. So that's why I would say many people take them easy. All these people that are also human, and they see many arguments. They no buy. No be the Gaspa, they bring money. No be Ateta, they bring money. You get, so they channel the anger to the wrong department. Most times, or make I say sometimes, the owners don't release money. Sometimes if you don't even be the owner, if it be economic policy, like they don't really get that money. Because you go to look say, nah, they get money now. Why don't you buy play 100 million? Why don't you go pay 120 million? Get the money. Why they stingy? We there outside. We don't really know what they happen. Arsenal is a business, and they're not going to be running a loss. Yeah, so these are some of the areas where I want to open our eyes. But at the end of the day, it's sad. It's sad. Even Sports Bible put out their own reports on this story. Because they explain, say, key Mikel Arteta ally, you get, set to leave Arsenal in major blow after Newcastle defeats. So then talk about it, and by the end of the day, nobody will pinpoint one thing. Say, okay, we'll see the reason we make Edu Gaspa won't leave. Sky Sports, they speculate. Fabrizio Romano reported the story. That is the trending story. In fact, it's a trend for Twitter right now because it came as a surprise. Nobody saw it coming. So more just to watch. Is this going to be a blessing in disguise or a big blow? We never know. Until whoever will come in. And you say Edu Gaspa get leg. But with the pressure, whoever will come in will get bigger leg to help us enter some kind of place and negotiate some kind of deals. We go favor Arsenal at the end of the day. That's why we say soldier go, soldier come. Barracks will always remain. Now, you got one story we talk about yesterday about Calhen joining Tottenham Hotspur. Oh, they talk say the guy there on the free transfer, but that's not actually accurate because we will come find out to say Arsenal actually give Calhen a new contract because somebody mentioned it in the comment section where I can go do research and I can say yes, that's true that Arsenal gave him a new contract early this year. You get before he can travel, go Rivalladolid, go doing loan. So I don't understand this one. We say Spurs won't come sign them. We say Arsenal go agree to sell them to them. So we'll just watch. Anyhow, we be sure at the end to let you know how things they unfold. You get so like the Gaspa say his departure. We'll look at come for this Gaspa. I think you're vex me, Jerry. At the same time, yesterday they talk about Inter Milan. Why they talk say Inter Milan? Why I know? Say they're not really that reactive. That they are a very proactive team. People for the comment section when they let me say CHUKS, Inter Milan they play 3-5-2 because me normal actually at the word Siriani. They say Inter Milan they play 3-5-2, so they're very defensive. So they feel they play counter attacking masters than view. And I think I remember they played I think it was Man City at the Etihad Stadium this season. They played 0-0. And for that match, they even create like chances to win the game. For you to say you say give them their own respect to themselves good. No go they say one the underrated, then good die on their own level. People don't win and the Syria. In fact, well, we'll just watch anyhow the match will be. I will let you know. Now, Gary Neville, come and say, based on how things they go, he still believes say Arsenal will still win the league because time still plenty. Saying go give Arsenal like 3 months. Say after 3 months, and go know whether go change in mind because a lot of things go still happen we will never really know now. Yeah. So after 3 months' time, then you go know where Arsenal did because don't forget that he predicted Arsenal were going to win the league this season because Gary Neville is still backing Arsenal to win the Premier League title despite their recent slump in form. The former Manchester United defender predicted the Gunners will lift their first title in 21 years at the start of the season, and it's not turning back on them just yet. And though it is logical, yes, because you say Arsenal at the moment in time, there are big questions being asked, but I don't rule them out of winning the title. I still have them winning the title, and it might be what they need to win the title. The Coco be say time still plenty for a lot of things to turn out. Liverpool go still play Man City. Man City go still play Liverpool. Liverpool go still play Newcastle. Like many things go still go on. Most of all these people where they go away, they go still come our own home. A lot of things go happen. We go still drop more points. A lot of heartbreak go still come our way. So you go come Liverpool way. So you go come Man City way. You go touch everybody. Then at the end of 38 games, the person who can drop the most points, 9 go lose. The person who can drop the less points, 9 go win the league. It is just pure mathematics. So we'll see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. Now, the London Evening Standard. Can they give us injury updates on Martin Odegaard, Ricardo Calafini, but I focus on Martin Odegaard. So them call the talk say, according to their own in-house reports, say them they talk say the good news is that Odegaard has recently returned to training after missing out on the Magic squad at Newcastle at the weekend. But London Evening Standard, which is also called Standard Sports, understands he's pushing to be available for selection against Inter Milan. Why is this important? It was because Martin Keown, who will be one of the Arsenal legends, came out yesterday and told the whole world, I was told that Odegaard will be available to play on Wednesday. Now, there's another secondary source, which is the London Evening Standard. We don't come reiterate that same mandate. So more just they hold them. Say, okay, when I get reputation, so we'll trust enough for Utuna they talk. Hopefully, on Wednesday, Odegaard go play. So Odegaard go play on Wednesday, no mean say now license for us to go and beat Inter Milan. No, but at least you go see energize our play. You go see increase, because with Odegaard, we have a very high percentage of winning the game. Without Odegaard, we have a lower percentage. So obviously, that's so it just be. So more just see how it go unfold. I hope he plays. If I even come back, play, even if you don't play 90 minutes back, even if now 45 minutes. Now, they talk about fitness, where most Arsenal fans don't really understand. Just because you see somebody on the bench doesn't mean that person is 100% fit to play. You get that person might be certified okay, but it might not be fit to participate in the 95 minutes or 100 minutes or 90 minutes thereabouts. But if he did good enough to play 30 minutes, based on say welcome back package. So after that 30 minutes, he don't play him. Before the next match, they come. Look at what happened between Saka and when Saka come play against Liverpool. All of us don't say Saka no 100% fit, but he came in, he did the job. Luckily for us, that impact, back. First half, don't bust net. Get. So even if now 40 minutes Saka play that match, Saka don't play 90 minutes now. So that's how it is, because you need to be very, very careful on all the people, because when you rush them in, they aggravate their injury and go back. Who lose? Now you lose now. So we need to be very, very careful with this same Odegaard, because you show me that I say, the 100% fit, even though it come on Wednesday, but we don't have a choice. That's just the sad part. As it be now. Now, Talk Sports, when they do one analysis about Bukayo Saka. So I think it was Tony Cascarino and the boys. So they kind of question Bukayo Saka role. You get, say, based on say Saka na captain. So they could talk say that captaincy where Saka they wear, it cloud in judgment, like it they affect the performance. If they make a note, they lose focus. You get, say when they command that captain for Saka hand, but Saka focus on his play. They can write they if you wear him, part they if you wear him. Another person they will go wear him. If they got no day, Jesus no day. Make them wear him, make them free this guy, make them for the fans. Focus on your play. Every smart thing go wrong, go meet referee. You get, because they say Bukayo Saka's role as Arsenal captain has been called into question following their disappointing 1-0 defeat to Newcastle after the loss at St. James's Park. Former Chelsea star Tony Cascarino has recommended Mikel Arteta hands the captain armband to another teammate so he can concentrate on his own performances. Now, Baba they tell the Weekend Sports Breakfast, say Bukayo Saka is a fantastic player, no doubt, and I speak highly of him all the time because I love his desire, his hunger, his goal, intelligence as a player, his assists. I just don't want him to be captain because I think he needs to be on his game and think about his game only. You've got the Declan Rice in there, give him the captain armband. You've got the Thomas Partey. I just feel you should be going. Saka, you play your game. I think certain players need to be just left to play their game. The question now becomes, do you subscribe to the line of thought of Tony Cascarino? Say, make Bukayo Saka come out hand, come out body for that captain armband. Face your game, Baba. I make another life for you, eh? One of the things where they take type player down, say making the reason say one Jack, but may want to go join another club, that to give him big responsibility, such as armband, bless him with armband, so then go feel say, I am the shepherd of all this sheep, so I need to be here. Now one of the things they hold Odegaard down. Now Odegaard captain armband, and Arteta by himself choose and not be voting. Arteta say, see the person how many I get armband, because no matter before players go vote. Say the person how many I give her. So it's a hold and dance. Say, okay, you be captain. Nobody will call the reason you say the one sign you stay here. Get. That's why the reason Saka say, okay, for the guy no day, Jesus no day, Saka people no day. You say wear. You say when they wear, when they get that prestige, get that aura. Because you can feel, feel fly. So I don't think Arteta will listen to all this type of advice, but I not see the advice. So me Saka focus on what he come here to do. So better let me know your thoughts for the comment section. Now, Philippe Inzaghi will be the coach of Inter Milan. They need to be more clinical against Arsenal and Napoli battle. You get, because now the next two games we then get for their calendar. So they say Inter from the match they play for the weekend, they win 1-0. I think it was against Vincenzo. I don't forget the person they play, but they win 1-0 and they wasted a lot of chance. So the coach call the complaint, say, I must see the 2 waste chance gone. You get, so you know, really make a lot of sense. And for the game, they go play against Arsenal because Arsenal one of the best teams in world football. So Inzaghi talk, so they need to refocus on Arsenal. Now, see what team me I like. Number 1 and number 2, because Napoli now be number 1 for Serie A, Inter na number 2. So number 1 and number 2 go play for the weekend after the Champions League tie between us. So Inzaghi, the reason rotation, when you read that report from Football Italia, to the entirety of it, you will see say Inzaghi was talking about rotation. That rotation is going to be key because the 2 matches na match every season, they no fit afford to lose. Because the way Conte they handled Napoli this season and Lukaku they bar, you get, so Conte won't win the league, and this Conte really understands the Italian Serie A. So Inzaghi they get like this kind of thing don't do us before. Now we say we look some kind of tough game for the weekend. We say we need to rest player for European competition to be able to play this one. But we say that the same thing they do also. As we get this Inter Milan match, you know what they wait for us for the weekend? But man, Chelsea was Stamford Bridge. So as we talk about Inter say rotational policy, do you know whether Arteta said we're going to rack in brain say rotational policy because we are 7 points behind Liverpool, we are 5 points behind Manchester City. If we go no rotates now, can't carry tired, let's go Stamford Bridge, then knock us, Liverpool win. We don't turn 10 points behind it. So these are the type of dilemma where coachy they face. Who will be fans? You know them for their mind. You don't know how they go. But now what the coach they face? So we say, if you come sit down for the table like this, we say, she make I play Ben White. I be make I play Zinchenko for that place. I be make I play Thomas Partey. I be make I play Timber. How would they play this one? Because we are traveling to Inter. And they play on Wednesday, which means Wednesday, no be saying on Wednesday we'll come back. We'll feel they come back maybe like that kind Thursday. Come back on Thursday, just like how many training you go do before you come play for the weekend. So these are the issues. But most people don't really see it. That's why me, I usually do feed forward. I put myself in the coach's shoes to try to understand his pain, deploy empathy tactics. So that's part of things you need to do when you do your own analysis because coachy, you know easy, you get, easy. It is very, very difficult. Now, this brings us to one fantastic analysis why I read from Just Arsenal. Now, what is the direction of this feature story? Then they talk about Martinelli. Say Martinelli has not really progressed for Arsenal, and Arsenal need to upgrade Martinelli next summer. Do you subscribe to this line of thought? Because I won't lie to you, I subscribe to it 100% because other than Saka and Martinelli, on a good day, Arsenal don't really get another top winger. Even the 2 of them, Martinelli and Saka is miles apart. Saka they gang up on Saka normal. Saka don't they used to run. If 2 people gang up on Saka no one go take weaving way. If 2 people hold Martinelli, Baba no go do anything. If one person go, never fit dribble 1 person. You think say if now 1 person they dribble, they hold Saka, only 1 person, Saka no go lick like a pot of soup. Martinelli, 1 person go hold and 1, you know if he do nothing. Martinelli just be like, these days, because I don't just understand what they do. I'm like, you don't ask how many years. You're supposed to don't develop. You know they see you. So the question now becomes, should Arteta be ruthless? Like just Arsenal is advocating. Cut off all these people where they make us like they get impact. See the way Arsenal be now, if Saka no dey, you go to fear say we not get anybody if you do anything for us, but we get Martinelli. Why is that so? Why is everything on the shoulders of this young boy called Saka who's supposed to get somebody else? But some people will say, but transfer window come now, such as why Arteta no sign. Baba, the Arteta said everything saying they happy. I was telling one of my friends, see, most people will say Arteta the para for all these guys, but Arteta no go come outside for the public domain, because the para for them is you get. Go watch the Arsenal All or Nothing documentary. When you see Arteta, they use leg, they kick things for the dressing room, they para, they tell everybody say, you play rubbish today. Like, I feel, man no told you and talk what I'm supposed to use, but I feel tell you for free. Say, after the match you're playing against Newcastle, Arteta no take I'm easy with those guys for the dressing room. I will tell you for free. So Arteta go enter them. But for public domain, he will keep a smiley face. He will never throw them under the bus. But for that dressing room, he will let them know. At least I don't see her. I don't know how many of them are privileged to watch that All or Nothing documentary. Basically, Arteta they para. Say today, you people, nobody. I didn't see anybody on the pitch. Oh man, I need to go watch that thing. So by the Arsenal lovers, like usual, if you're enjoying the show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow our community so that we're going to go wide and wide. I believe say by today, everybody might on the countdown based on the loss, so we'll lose against Newcastle. I understand how you guys feel, so it happen. Yes, basically, I don't try to get over them, so when I just do the same, we'll move forward. So the biggest news of the night, of the day rather, the fact say Sky Sports, Sports Bible, Fabrizio Romano, everybody is reporting that Edu Gaspa is set to leave Arsenal after Newcastle loss. What they make Edu Gaspa say no do again? Nobody know. You get whether the backlash from say we lose, people going to insult and call our names, like a lot of things went down. Ah man, nobody really know. Although we know say Marionakis will be like the chairman of Nottingham Forest, Olympiacos, Rio Ave. They talk say they won't bring Edu Gaspa, be our sporting director or director of football, if you like, to come oversee all these clubs. And they talk say they won't even buy one more club, make it be four, like a conglomerate. So no just no sha. Well, we'll just watch what will happen in the next 24 hours. When they say Arsenal will report this news, maybe they will tell us a replacement. We never really know. We'll just watch. Manchester City itself just changed their own director of football. Where Viana come from Sporting Lisbon. Where Bergistre and basically with that one name, with that one come out. But it is what it is. So my guys, this is a fine place for us to call the show and end. So till I come your way later in the evening. Till then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out. All right, guys. Now bye bye.